Hi friends, I'm Papa Nick, a mastermind criminal, gamer DM anime boy, and I'm here to steal some. This is Teardown. Let's tear it all down. Hi guys, in a world where you can just, smash everything in your way so you have a perfect path back to your getaway boat, well that's Teardown. Let's jump in and break some stuff. Interesting. Bop. Bop. Well, so, sometimes it doesn't work. Well, let's just, It is a whale. Blue whale. Yep. Alright, where's my, let's do a shotgun. Oh, a regular gun. Bang! Oh. Can I, oh. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait, maybe it was just a, push, not a pull door. Or a pull, not a push? I don't know, man. Yeah. Oh, it was open. All right. That's fine. That's fine. All right. I need treasure. Not only am I here to do a final favor for a corrupt cop, but I am going to steal shit as I go. Bam! What else we got? Printer! Bam! A lot of nice things sitting around. Free for the taking. Oh! What the f... Don't hit the meth pipes. Restart mission. All right. My bad. All right. So the yellows are my required targets, and the blue are the bonuses. If I set a fire and it gets too out of control, the fire alarms will go off. And if I destroy a wired box or trip the wire, the alarms will go off, giving me 60 seconds to get out. So let's not mess this one up. Wow, those are kind of far apart for 60 seconds. Okay, let's, maybe a getaway vehicle. All right. Okay, so don't hit the pipes. Anything in here? All right. Just looking for stuff to steal. Oh, what do I have here? All right, all right, all right. Okay, if I smash out this window here. A car is probably faster. But my getaway vehicle is here. So maybe I take a hammer here, break through here, grab a boat, grab what I need here, grab what I need here, and then get on my boat. That seems probably not the best, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, so with that logic, I need to break out the opposite way. Okay, so this door's good. Open. Pop! Banana! Banana? And there's my boat. Pop! Perfect getaway. Is that fire? Do I hear fire? Oh, there's the fire. Hold on. A good thief always brings his extinguisher. Alright. So probably need to go from... ground floor to upstairs? Oh, I could walk across these pipes. In a world where sound will never get you caught. I don't appreciate all these locked doors, but that's alright. You know what? Shotgun. I'm sorry, I can't stop doing the voice. I've become addicted. Ooh. Oh, what are we growing here, guys? Oh. Looks like we got some parsley. Legal parsley. Oh, okay, there's the thing I'm looking for. I mean, could I could I perhaps take home some of that parsley? Maybe just a little bit. Just a tiny bit for my recipes. Alright, I'll parkour my way out of here. Bop. Signature for safety. Perfect. Starting to think pipe bomb is the only solution. Excellent. Boop. Alright, and then we just couple bars. Running. Go up the stairs. What? Perhaps I could. Guys, I'm sorry, the voice is addicting. It's really addicting. Okay, I could probably break through the wall and just grab it, right? Let's try this. Because I just want to reach through the wall and, you know, bloop. Oh! Let's not immediately ruin this. Bop! One more. Oh! Ah, there we go. Perfect. All right, it's yeah. So I grab it and I run this way and I jump down. Okay, this plan is coming together. Excellent. No. Not doing the voice. I'm not doing the voice. The voice is a problem. Okay, so I need a boat. Man. I'm not gonna have enough time to do this. Okay, let's run it. Let's run assimilation. That way. And then run over there. Go in there. Yeah, that's probably fine. Oh, I need more stuff to steal. That is very satisfying. Why do you have a trash room? Oh, of course, the one I need is locked. Just do up. Oh. All right. Computer. Where's the last one? In a restaurant? Why would you hide it in a restaurant? Oh, because it's illegal stuff. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, more free stuff. Where is it? Did I pass it? An alarm. Oh, why am I stealing alarm clocks? Come on. I missed it. Oh. Oh. Oh, alright. Oh, pop. Oh, I'll take that. Okay. I need a quick exit into the next area. And there it is. Oh, don't fall. Alright, so run this way. What is this? Let's see. Blood punch. What? Way doors. Oh. Alright. None of that. Oh, not dolphins. Monsters. Alright, looks like I just gotta go straight through. Pipe bomb. Pop! Pipe bomb. Really putting a damper on my plans. Right. Okay. I guess I'll go around. Really uncomfortable. Yeah, that's right. I have a laser. Get over it. Come on. Free stuff? Nothing? Whatever. Alright, here to there. Okay, I just need a boat that I'm allowed to drive. I'm not allowed to. Oh, there you are. I see you. Hold on a second. So I really can't open this brick wall? I can't break the foundation. I can break the brick wall. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna run through there, go through there, and then I'm gonna... Where's the thing I need? Oh, secret bathroom stash. That's where I keep all my secrets. Perfect. Then I need to come into the basement, grab that thing, and then boom, I'm in a boat. Alright, the plan's coming together. Let's jump ahead and see if my plan works out. It's cold. I don't want to get in. This way? Dude, the voice. It's addicting. I'm sorry. I just can't stop. Probably going to cut this section out anyway. And yet, I keep doing the voice. Oh, yeah. Free stuff. Guys, you think these tools pay for themselves? I gotta I gotta do a little side hustle just to keep going. Oh, I didn't see you there, little fancy boat. Nothing there. Break, 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 break. All right. Alright, are you a fast boat? Oh. I don't know, but you're a fancy boat. Nice! Alright. Back it up. Oh, don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches. Right, come on, just a little dent in the side, it's fine. Just need my boat to be facing the correct... Oh no, it's taking on water. Oh, okay, alright, just taking on a little bit of water. That's probably right about there. Alright, this door is in fact a problem. Gun! Click, 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 alright. Yeah. Okay, a bit more than I needed, but that's fine. Oh. You're not gonna sink while I'm gone, right? Like, I'm still gonna be able to pilot this craft. Alright, I have the shotgun out just to make sure I'm ready to get anything out of my way. Alright. 1, 2, oh! Come on, hustle! Hustle! Hustle, hustle, hustle! Right, jump! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh my gosh, I have made such a grave mistake. Turn! You don't turn good! Oh man! Oh man, oh man, oh man. Good thing I brought my jetpack. Too high. Alright, okay, okay. Yep, yep, yep. Probably gonna make it, probably gonna make it. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No, 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 no. Please go down. Oh. Come on, come on. No. I was clouds. Come on, come on. No, no. No. Oh. All right. Oh. Let's do this. All right. Run. Okay, all right. I'll use my handy-dandy jetpack. Then we jump and grab it. And... Alright. I never made the hole! I never made the hole! Oh! I forgot! And that's how an expert thief gets away. It's a form of art. Look at the beautiful line. Perfect. Never crossing over itself, except for right there a little bit, but that doesn't count. And then using my jetpack, which every thief really should have. Piece of cake. Piece of cake.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Tsh, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, li, da, di, li, di, da. Di, da, di, li, di, da, di, li, 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 da, di, di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da.
Alright, okay, jump in, jump in, jump in. Ba-boom! Boom, alright, arrow, go. Alright. Ooh, that might have gone through hit the orphanage? I don't know. Okay. Yep, boom, and... Yep, take out the children's playground. That was intentional. Yep, this is how tank drive. Alright, oh, how to get up here? Too many explosions at once. Wrong minigun, that's why it's being weird. Alright, just blow up some walls. Take out the kebab stand, the umbrella. Totally on purpose. Alright, let's see here. Let's bomb the taco shop. I don't want to, but I'm getting paid to do it, so. Mashing the bomb buttons. Oh, 47%. Bananas. I wonder if I could crash my computer doing all these explosions at once. Alright, okay. I need to get down to 30 in 41 seconds. What is holding this place? Okay, alright. It's holding you up. 30 seconds. Nearly did it. I feel like that's more than 30%, but if you say so. Oh, it is 29. Alright. Come on. Bonus credits for getting down to 20. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Not helpful. Laser beam. Alright, I gotta get out of here. Run, I hear the helicopter. Oh, Mr. Helicopter, I didn't do it. You can't follow me. I feel like he saw me. Interesting. Alright, guys, well, you know what? I think we're gonna end the video here today. Anything else going on in my room? New missions? Alright, I think we'll save that for next time, guys. You know what? Hey, if you hang out, I'm going to do a little secret bit in the end. I'm going to show you how to beat the tulip mission where you got to get 6 safes out of the rain without letting them touch the rain. I'll add that at the end of the video, but yeah, this is it, guys. Here's the outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please hit subscribe. It really does help. Every subscription means that YouTube shows my video to, instead of just 10 people per video, it shows them to more people. Rather, it recommends them. It doesn't force anybody to watch my videos. But anywho, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Ooh, but I could get more stuff. Yeah, I was a little distracted. I'm not going to lie. Alright, guys. I was struggling this one, so I have played around on this map for way too long, like way too long. But if you're trying to figure out how to get all of the water-resistant safes out into the rain without setting them off, and then into a body of water to destroy them, you can get all 6, that includes the bonus ones, by doing this technique, or one of 2 things that I'm going to show you. So this is the first one, right? if you get the vehicle loading tow truck, whatever, or the transport truck, and you grab the crane vehicle, you can pick up this container, load it in the back, doors facing backwards, and now the loading ramp becomes the doors. I've actually got 2 safes in there. As you can see, I'm about to pick up a 3rd one. And then if you accidentally break any holes in it, the only ones that are going to affect the safes, are going to be on top, because rain will be coming down. It's not that super realistic of a game. Sideways rain don't count. But you can actually use your boards and planks to block incoming rain. And it only clicked when one of the end missions had me on top of my house fixing a hole in the roof, which I made bigger first, but then putting planks over it, realized, oh yeah, that's what they were trying to tell me. They were hinting that much later in the game I can just do that. So yeah, guys, it's pretty, you know, I think all of the levels have some way that they're trying to get you to run it. I've seen stairs that seemingly are useless, but then as soon as you blow the wall next to it, you realize, oh, these are the stairs that I need to use for the quickest possible path, but I have to create a bridge of planks to get to it in order to jump this wall in order to get to the other side. But anywho, as you can see, I've got 3 safes loaded in here. So you could load all of your safes in here, or you could do what I did. You could split it because they're kind of spread out all against the map. So the other thing you can do, and you hopefully won't screw it up as bad as I did. Let's park this bad boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. I'm keeping it out of the rain just to be safe. I don't want any oopsie-daisies. Okay. Alright. There's a semi-truck. Let's see. Oh, where? Very top of the map. Already pulled it around. Boom. You can load the semi-truck up with safes. And to get the big safe, you can either A, what I should have done, blow the floor beneath so it lands in the truck, or you can grab the crane. Alright, so now all I have to do is jump in my vehicle, and ba-boom, that's it, done. Easy peasy, all done in 60 seconds. Oh, and then I did that. Well, don't do that, guys. Luckily these ones are light, so I'll just, okay, yep, get in there. And the crane's there, ready as a backup, because I'm a genius. No problems here. I'm incredibly intelligent, so I was prepared for this situation. Let's just, yep, hook it. And hook it. And, yeah, alright. Nope. Yep. Nope. Guys, I have 10 seconds left, come on. I thought maybe I could push it in. Well, that's the general strat, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do a better job this time. I'll just drive a little bit slower and then it won't go horribly wrong. Pull this bad boy up a tiny bit. Okay. So I think I just fell out because I turned too hard, you know, 500-pound safe, thin walls, going 40 miles an hour with rockets on the back of my vehicle. I'm going to park this instead of running it off for extra time. See, guys? Bonus. Okay, that's fine. Make sure the tree doesn't get in my way. What I'll do is I'll ram this off the edge, and then all 6 at once will go in. Yeah, that's right. Probably won't get in the way, right? That's probably fine. Well, there you go. Ba-boom. I'll just come up without go nice and slow. Nice and slow, and then floor it. Bam! All 6 at once. And look, now we have 55 seconds to just kind of, you know, take a dip. Pow, pow. Yep. Just kind of showing off at this point. Loading. All, everything. Required. Optionals. Yeah, I'm shooting down your trees. Why? Because I'm awesome. I'm burning your dead trees because I can. Doesn't reach that far. Yep. Oh, okay. Fire bad. Not on the bow. Not on the bow.